Clear, prop!
Clear, prop!
Welcome back to my channel. Today is the first day of the year. We are flying home after a week-long trip to Fernandina Beach in Orlando in Florida. Not only did the kids had fun at Disney, I was also mind blown by the Star Wars setup there. For me, the trip is not done yet. I have a long, a bit challenging flight ahead of me. This leg from KISM to Atlanta would be my longest flight in my private pilot career.
Look at that big airplane taking off.
Having the family on board makes it even more challenging in terms of decision making. An unusually warm December weather, along with a strong frontal system moving through the Atlanta area, has brought some thunderstorms and low ceilings. I hope it clears out by the time we get there. If not, I have a plan B. More on that later. For now, strap on your seatbelts and join me in this trip as it might get a little bumpy.
270, runway 15, clear for takeoff for 6 November Delta. Thank you. Have a happy new year.
Happy New Year.
Up, make sure it looks good. Airspeed alive, 60 knots.
Six Romeo Delta, contact Orlando departure.
Order departure 6 November. Approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta 270, climbing to 2000.
November 6 Romeo Delta, Orlando departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 5000, fly heading 310.
310, 5006 Romeo.
November 8 Echo Victor, descend and maintain 1500, let me know when you get exec in sight. November 6 Romeo Delta, contact approach 120.15.
120.156 Romeo Delta, happy new year.
Happy New Year.
Orlando Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, climbing to 5000.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, Orlando approach, climb and maintain 6000.
6006 Romeo Delta.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, flying 270 of extra traffic.
2706 Romeo Delta.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, you're cleared on course.
Direct destination 6 Romeo Delta. So had a good long vacation, almost a week. The first time that we're doing for this long. So we flew into Fernandina Beach for a couple of days, and now flew into KISM, out the attractions in Orlando. They're supposed to depart
Number 66 Romeo Delta, contact Jacksonville approach 118.6, have a nice day.
118.656 Romeo Delta. Thank you. Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year.
Jacksonville Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, level 6000.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, Jack Altimeter 3005.
3005 6 Romeo Delta. As I was saying, so we're supposed to leave yesterday. It was Friday, December 31st. But the weather at PDK not all that great, so we stayed one extra day. So the weather should be at this point looks okay. I might have to do an approach to PDK, which is something I haven't done outside of the training. So right now it's forecasting MVFR. So we'll see what happens.
About the plan B that I alluded to earlier, the weather forecast for today in the Atlanta area is rain and low ceilings in the morning and a 40% chance of storms in the afternoon. However, the forecast is calling for VFR weather at PDK late afternoon with storms returning later tonight. So I have a relatively short window to complete my trip. But I really don't want to pressure myself getting home. Therefore, the alternative is to fly to Valdosta, Georgia, which is halfway, and wait the night out, as tomorrow the weather is supposed to be better. As we reached Valdosta area, the storms in the Atlanta area have become isolated and the airport has become VFR, so we're good to go. As we were nearing the Atlanta area, the remnants of the storms were causing turbulence, especially in the clouds. It was starting to become a little uncomfortable. We still got about 40 minutes out to go, so I don't want to wake the little guy up in the back as he might start crying. So I requested ATC for a lower altitude to get below the cloud deck. After descending to 4,000 feet, I'm no longer in the clouds, but it's still bumpy.
Grumman, runway Delta visual 2 on that.
Number 66, show me Delta P-Star, runway 2 on left, straight to land.
Runway 2 on left, straight to land. Okay.
Number 6, show me Delta, wind 200 at 17, gust 23.
Trouble, thanks.
Thanks for riding along. I'll see you in the next one.
Roger, right at Delta, cross going right, taxi park straight ahead on Delta.